we live?
Yeah.
We're live. Glennis, it's Denny Ring. And this is all about wishing you happy birthday on Boxing Day of 2008. And I'm here with my son,
Tim Ring.
Tim Ring. Tim turned 13 in August, and I thought it might be nice to have him sit in on this image to wish you happy birthday, because I figure when you first met me, I was closer to 13 than I am to 52, than I was rather to 52. So maybe Tim will remind you of what Denny Ring looked like when he was a young teenager. In any case, happy birthday. I hope kids and grandkids are there to celebrate together. And I wanted you to know that every time I go to Fenton's, I think of you, because I used to love when you and my mom would join us. And we still go to Fenton's, right?
Yeah, we went last weekend.
That's right. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday it is. Bye-bye.